So hello friends, welcome back to channel. In our previous video we tried to unlock a user, but in this video I'll tell you how to rename a user or a group. So why we want to rename? So while creating a user by mistaken you have entered a wrong username, or there's an input given by the end user and there's a typo error he did, and after that again he sent an email that there is a typo error, kindly rename a user with this username. So how will change the username? So we are having a username Mike. Okay, see this UID 41004 Mike user, group is also Mike and groups is also Mike. Okay, primary secondary group is Mike, and UID and GID is 1004. So now I will rename this user to Tom. So for that, user mode -l small l for login name, new name and the current name. So if you do ID Mike, you will not get, because that username get changed from Mike to Tom. But group is still same, group is not yet changed. And if you want to change the group name, you can do group mode, and here we are having n. Okay, name, current name is Mike and we want Tom, it get renamed to Tom. So this how will change. So ID Tom will do. So if you compare this line and this line, so UID is 1004 still same, login name Mike got changed to Tom, group Mike got changed to Tom, and secondary group also got changed. So using this two command you can change or rename a user. So user Mike got changed to user Tom. Currently Tom UID is there, GID is there, and groups also there. So this is a primary group and this is a secondary group. Both are same. So in next video I will tell you how to make a user part of two groups. Okay. So till then keep practicing renaming in this thing, and don't rename the root user. Use other users, because if you try to do something with root and by mistake you have done something, so it is hard to roll back things. So for beginners I prefer not to rename root. Try creating other user and renaming. Keep practicing. See you in the next video.